Hello everyone. Look at this cool puzzle I got in. It's called junk. I don't know why it's called junk unless that's what they call these boats. It's a 3D puzzle. I have 53 pieces. I got this off Amazon. So I thought we would try to put it together. Figure out how to open it. This plastic on here is really tight. That plastic did not want to come off. Alright, so here's our instructions. Let's see. So we've got to start at number 1. Let me find where number 1 is. Right here. So that would be this one. Get that out of the way. So this is number 1. And with number 1, I need number 2. Some of them say C, A. Here's number 9 over here. There, number 2. Yeah, right there. So, I need this one. And this one. Oh, come on, get over there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and get all these pieces snapped out and numbered so it won't take as long for the video first putting it together. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all the pieces out and numbered. So let's see if we can figure out now how to put this baby together. So this is 9 and 2. Be like that. So 4, 3, excuse me. So that's how that goes. Maybe it'll stay. So 4 is, let me see where 4 is. I need 4 and 11. Problem is they didn't put these in order. And sometimes I can see better with my glasses on or with them off. I see 5. Where's 4? There it is. So 4 and 11. It's gonna go right here. Sorry. Keep leaving y'all out. Don't mean to. I wonder if I should put some glue there to hold it, because it's not going to stay. I just don't know if I'll need to move it again to get something else in there. See, because that's not going to stay. Just put a little glue right there. And on this side too. Maybe that will help a little bit. So now I need 5. That was right here. 5 and 20, 12, or 20. And now I need 18 and 19. It's gotta be one of these smaller pieces. There it is. Right there. 18 and 19. I'm guessing it just sits in there like that. Now, need 59. Let's do 21, 12, and 23. It's going to be this one. I don't mean to keep putting y'all out of the frame. This should help hold it all together. I think I need the hot glue. So I'm going to pause this and get my hot glue gun ready. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went in and put hot glue under all these seams so it'll hold it in place but not show. Hopefully I won't have to take nothing apart. So this is 6 right here. So this goes right there. And this is 13. It goes right here. Come on, go on there. There. Hope I don't have it upside down now. Let me look at the picture. No, that's right. Good. Good. Alright, now. So, I'm trying to mark these off as I go. Now, if I'm going by numbers, I need number 7, which is going to be this piece right here. But where does it go? It goes right here. somehow. I think I need to put all these pieces on first though. I would think. Let me see. Okay. Two, 46, 37, 40 right here. So 40 goes. Let me look at this. So 40 goes right here. I better put a dollop of glue under there, or it's never gonna stay. Put a dot there, a dot there. So next is 42. And 44. 44. Let me get these in order. 46. Wait, that's 46. 48. 50 and 52. 52. There's 50. So I just need to put all these on here. See, I'm gonna get 2 more in there. I'm gonna get 1 more in there. And that's gonna be tight. I don't think I'll have to glue this one if I can get it in. Come on. Get in there. Come on, little fella. You can do it. Oh, there. Please don't pop out. Please don't pop out. There. Yay. Yay. Now, we get that side done. Now let's go to this side. So we need to start at 26. Let me get them in order. 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. See, I can count by 2s. I went to school. I went to school. I might have a problem right here. Where I glued this. Let me move these up. I keep cutting y'all out of the frame. Don't cut yourself, Lorinda. I'll have to look up junk boats and see what colors they are and pick up some paint and paint these. I think it look really cool. I'll be so glad when I can have a big house with shelves to display all these models. Okay, now let's get started. Hopefully this one will go. Oh, my back's hurting. Hopefully this one will go quicker since no more about what I'm doing. Just need to make sure that it goes on those little grooves good. Let me readjust my back. Oh, I didn't mean to shake y'all around. My back was killing me. Let me raise this up a little. One day maybe I can figure out a way to put my camera up over my head, looking down. That way maybe y'all would be able to see the whole, excuse me, I'm getting the hiccups. The whole picture of what I'm doing. Wouldn't that be sweet? I'll have to try to figure out something. I don't know. I'm not very tech savvy, in case y'all haven't noticed. I'm just letting you know. I'm not very big on electronics. I'm trying to learn. And I love doing this with y'all. It's so fun. Y'all keep me company during the day when my husband's off working. Y'all are my friends. I don't know anybody here. Just a few people that he works with. So y'all keep me busy, my friends. Give me something to do. So I don't lose my mind, even though that may be going. Sometimes I wonder. Now here comes the fun part. Getting this last one in. But I think we can do it. I think we can. Just squeeze it in there. There it goes. Squeeze this one. Make sure I'm getting it on the little thing. Uh-oh, that one came loose. Go in there. A little bit further. There. I need to re-glue this one. It's getting bulky and hard to maneuver. There. Yay! We got the bottom of the boat built. And that's kind of heavy. Okay, now let's see what we need to do. Sometimes it helps to look at the picture rather than the instructions. So now I need the flooring here and here. I have this one. I have all this right here done. I'll have to put the roof on in a minute. So now I need this flooring and that top flooring. Okay. So this is gonna be that. And this back 16, 17. Let me find where that is. So I got this page done. There it is right here. But I need this front part, which is 8 and 14. 8. Here it is, right here. Okie dokie. So now I need this one to go right here. Problem is I don't know if it goes this way or this way. Let's see how it fits. Which way it fits better. Ow! Put my arm on the glue gun. It was hot. Let me move that before I burn myself. I think it goes that way. Let me look. No, I think it goes the other way. Okie dokie. Let's turn this mug back around. I'll get this in here. Come on now, work with me, pieces. Work with me. There's one side. And there's the other side. Yay! Now this one goes up here. Let me see if I can figure out which way this one goes. They don't really give you a good picture. I think it's gonna go this way. Get in there. Get in there. Yes. Okay. I think something else is going to go in there too, because that's a pretty wide gap. Alrighty. Now I need The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire. Here's the roof. Move y'all around again. So, the roof is going like this and like this. And I better glue this one down. Nope. I think it goes this way. Just looking at it again. Yep. I had it wrong the first time. And now my roof will stay. Let's get the other side. It's not fun when you get glue on your hands. There's our roof, people. Now, let's see what we do. Somehow we gotta do these sails. Alright, so that's number, I cannot see, 60. Number 60. Where's number 60? Marking all these off that we used. So I think it's gonna be over here. Here it is, 60, 58, 59. So 60 goes right here. $59 goes right here. And 58 goes right here. Okie Okie dokie. Now, where do all these pieces go? Uh, 24 and 25 is going to go in there. So that's these pieces. So right here, we've got 25. It's going to go in here. 24. Turn this mother around.